Hi guys, welcome back once again to the new vlog. So today's vlog is something that you guys have asking me for a long time. Like you have seen in my, the headline that I've mentioned in the vlog is that how to do a blow dry at home. Simple way to do it, and you will get rid of, like, you have an immediate party and you don't get time to go to a salon or a spa and you want to, do a quick blow dry and fix your hair, or if you're on a vacation and obviously you can't go to salon every time. So this particular vlog is dedicated on how to do a quick blow dry or a nice setting for your hair if you're at home. Like I mentioned to you guys in my last vlog that I will be asking a question at the end of this vlog as well. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, because this month the lucky winner who is going to subscribe and watch our videos, leave their comment, is also going to win a gold coin from us. So stay tuned till the end and wait for the questions. So if the right answer, we'll put into a lucky draw, and the right winner might win something exciting gift from me apart from the gold coin that we are giving away for this whole month, because it's a part of Diwali giveaway. The other thing that I also wanted to tell is that for all the videos that you guys have been requesting me, we will be doing it very soon. Please be patient, and we will be coming out with all those interesting topics that you guys have shared for. For everyone who is seeing this video for the first time, if you have any concerns with regards to your skin care, hair care, body care, or general women wellness, this is the channel that you need to watch and subscribe for. So today's vlog, I'm not going to be the alone person. I have an expert with me who is going to show you that how to do a blow dry at home and set your hair very quickly. So tada, I have Salome with me. She is my senior stylist who does, actually, for all of you have been asking that how do I have like my beautiful hair. So Jen and Salome are the one who actually, always does the setting of my hair. Trust me, I wanted to show you my actual hair one day, right? So how they will,
how difficult
how difficult it is to do my hair. That's why I never try doing blow dry at home. Trust me, I try and use the irons to do it. So Salome is going to show you. So what do you think, Salome? Can they do like blow drying at home?
Yes, they can do.
Okay, so is it going to be easy or tough, or what do you suggest?
Yeah, you have to first you have to practice like that.
Okay.
Like as you keep on doing, it will go. Yeah, it will be better.
But it is also important that on how they like shampoo their hair and like condition. Okay, so the first thing that you also need to do is that when you shampoo your hair, ensure that you shampoo, if you put oil, shampoo it very well so that all the oil residue is gone. And secondly, after the shampoo, you could use a conditioner, and don't like load with conditioner, right?
Yeah.
Like don't put too much of conditioner so that when you try to do the blow dry, it starts slipping and the blow dry doesn't set. So use a very small, a good amount of conditioner. You could put it all over your hair. You can extend it to the hand, leave it for 5 minutes and rinse it off very well, right?
Yeah.
And after that, you could towel dry your hair. After the towel dried, you can start blow drying with it. So the most important thing is that we'll also show you that you need to have a good blow dryer with a good voltage, and then you also need to have a good brush. One brush is enough or two?
One is enough.
One
with the paddle brush and one with round brush.
Yeah, so you need to have one paddle brush and you could also have one round brush. So are you ready, Salome? So without any wait, let's find out how to do a blow dry. So Salome is ready. Are you guys ready? So let's start. The first step that if you want to do a blow dry is sectioning of your hair. This is very important. So ensure that you take the right section. Start from the back of the nape, the section, and if you have even more like thicker hair, you could go with more sections, like 2 more sections. Then taking the brush, that's the roller brush that we used here, from the inner side of your hair, that is from the roots towards outside. Ensure that the comb is not directly touching your scalp. It's just like 1 centimeter away from your roots. So you just have to pull it down. Now what we are demonstrating here is like how to do a straight blow dry. So that's why she's just put the comb inside, towards inside of the hair, and pulling it outside. This gives like a straight shiny look. Now we're going on the second section. Again, you will see that how you have to do the blow dry. It's very important. Never use the comb from outside. Use the comb from inside. This ensures that the inner side of the hair, if it's curly or if it is wavy, it will make it straight. Plus, if you want to do a little bit of curl or you want to leave it a little bit wavy, you can also twist the comb little bit or roll the comb towards the end of your hair, and you can give the heat like how we are going down now. Here you just roll your comb and you can give the heat over there, like hold it for 5 seconds and then you can release. So you'll see there is a natural waves and curls. You see the front of, even after you finish the whole hair, you can just take a little bit of the the comb and you can just like twist it from inside and start giving the heat from there. This will also balance and restyle the hair from outside if there is any small short hairs or any hair showing that. So you have to keep rolling the comb, not like just keeping it straight. You see how she's rolling it very lightly. So when as you pull it down, keep rolling it, keep rolling it, keep rolling it and bringing it down. If you see at the back, if you are not able, your hand is not able to reach, you can also do in this way, so that from outside the hair looks fine. There's not necessity that, like, because inside hair might feel like if it's not that straight or it's curly, it's fine, but it's always that how it looks outside, right? So to make sure that the outer layer of the hair or the outer part of the hair looks better than the inside, so you can concentrate or you could twist this comb. The most important thing is that the comb that you also have, if you're having very thick hair, you can use something like this, the ceramic comb that we have used here. Now we will demonstrate how to do the bangs or the fringes if you have. So if you have a small fringes like what she's having, you can always take this this much of a little bit of hair towards inside and start. So it will give you a volume and a bouncy look towards your fringe. In case if you have a longer fringe in the front, so you can also use the same technique and leave the hair at the back. After the blow dry, ensure that you always apply a nice serum. This can be like an oil-free serum, silicone-free serum. You get very good serums which are free from alcohol as well. This will actually remove the static or any external small hairs coming out and will give you a nice shiny look as well. So that's Salome for you doing a very quick blow dry, and I think it looks very nice, right? So like she has shown you some very quick tip that you could do, and you could see that how you could set your home at your home as well. Now you might be having so many questions like, oh, her hair is very straight, so it's very easy to do. What about thick hair like mine? I know that this is some question that every one of you asked. So for everyone there is a different technique. Obviously she did a straight technique, but the most important thing is that the brush that you have. So if you have this kind of brush, right, this is basically with ceramic. This is what, ceramic?
Yeah.
So ceramic brush. Salome is so Salome, what is it? She's so, what you say, concentrated. She doesn't even want to look at my face. She's so much into the camera. Salome, you can look at me, free yourself. Okay. So this is the brush that you have. This is basically a ceramic brush. Basically ceramic brush really is very good because first thing, that if you're a beginner and you want to do a blow dry at home, and if you're gonna put the blow dry directly on the ceramic, it doesn't melt. Unlike that, if you have like a soft bristles, it might melt down and damage the brush. So always invest in a good one, and this will last you for about like 6 months to a year depending on how you use it. So if you're going to have a thick hair and you want to curl it up, you can actually, when you do it, you could leave something like this, and you could use the blow dry, so that you will see that this one kind of an curl, a light natural curl comes, right? So at the end
They can start with a low speed of the dryer.
Yeah, so you could start with the low speed of the dryer, and then you could increase it later on, like if you want to keep it on for some time, to just give a small curl. The most important thing is, I think, the roots, right? When you do the blow dry, like she had shown you, that it's important that how you pick the root and you do it. So that's the important thing, because the rest of the things you could manage it, your hands are reaching, but it's the roots, and especially at the back. See, what happens is that when you do at the back, if you have the hair on the front, the basically the nape of the neck or something, it's not shown, right? It's basically outer side how it looks. And also it is important that after you do the blow dry, you could just use a nice serum which is free from silicones or free from alcohol. Don't try and use some wax or these kind of things, it's not good. Also you could invest in a good spray like an hairspray which is alcohol free, right? Like we do have some of the alcohol free available one. So that was all about how to do blow dry at home. I hope you like this vlog and I hope you like the way how Salome has done it. We'll see, right, Salome, if they're able to succeed. If you guys are able to make out like you're able to do a blow dry at home, and if you are successful in doing it, please do share your comment below on this video. Now it's the time for asking the question for the day. So the question for the day is that I mentioned that you should be using one kind of a brush. So let me know what kind of the material your brush bristles should be. Basically, what kind of the material this bristle should be. This is the question for the day. So the right answer, you could comment on the video below, and the right answer will win a surprise gift. I'll announce the winner in my next vlog. Now it's the time to announce the winner for the last vlog that I did. So the right all the answers that you guys have actually mentioned is the right answer. The lucky winner who won a surprise gift from me is Miss Mansoor. Okay, so congratulations Miss Mansoor for winning this surprise gift. Please do DM me and let me know how we could come and collect, how you could come and collect this gift from us. And we'll see you next time with a new vlog, with something very interesting, with something very different, something that you guys have suggested. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe. For this month of Diwali that we are giving away gold coins, by the way. So if you have not subscribed, have you subscribed the channel, Salome?
Yes, of course, from the first day.
Okay, so she has subscribed, so you can also be a lucky winner. Do subscribe to the channel, and if you have already subscribed it, don't get disappointed. You could share, you could increase the awareness that we are trying to spread across. Do help us in sharing our awareness. So you could put it around your friends or your family and ask them to subscribe, and you could extend your chance to win this gold coin from us this Diwali. So I'll see you next time with a new vlog, something very interesting. Till then, goodbye, take care, God bless.